Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find insider wallets, find what they're buying, and how to copy trade these insiders, influencers, and developers. And by this time, I think most of you know that the markets are rigged. If you want to win like insiders, you have to join them. But before that, of course, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not a financial advice. Always do research, and let's check out today's tool. Today, we are talking about amazing trading tool that has also AI utilities and features, and it's called AngryX. As usual, you can find all the links in the description to follow what I'm doing on the screen. So as usual, first of all, let's dig deeper into all the different features, and I will show you how I personally use it to actually copy the insiders and find these hot new tokens super early before all the retail investors, and of course, maximizing my gains. So when you open AngryX, let's go to the new pair button, which is the first button. You get all the latest tokens launching. And as usual, we have all the filtering options right here. So you can actually filter by liquidity, trading volume, number of holders, market cap, and number of transactions. If you click on any of these tokens, for example, IRS, you get the dashboard where you can actually purchase this token. But what's really unique about AngryX, it gives you lots of information. So first of all, on top, we have all of the safety and security checks. This is really important because, as I mentioned in the beginning, there's lots of scams. 99% of the projects are some kind of scam. So you have to be super safe to not lose your money. So you can see, for example, this project passed all the safety and security checks. Next up, if you scroll down, we get all the latest tickets. We also have smart money button, which also shows what smart money wallets are buying this token. I'm going to talk about smart money a bit later in the video. Next up, you can buy or sell this token. And also we have limit orders. If you're new to meme coins, limit orders are basically setting the limits at what price do you want to sell or buy these tokens. It's kind of a safety feature to keep your funds safe and kind of limit how much you lose. Or for example, if you're going to sleep, you can actually buy at some limits. So it's a really great tool, and I use it for almost all my trades because this saves me time. And also, of course, the bot sells quicker than me manually. So you can see we have all the standard features. We have the charts, we have everything. We have the second chart. Everything is right here. We have the safety features, you can buy, sell, and also we have limit orders. I think this is pretty standard. Next up, let's jump into trending. This gives us all the latest trending meme coins in the market. And actually, this is really cool because this gives us a better understanding where the market is going. And we can actually find the next up-and-coming trend for the meme coins because, of course, the meme coins are trend and narrative driven. And of course, this is the best way to make money, to bet on something that's growing. So for example, right now we have this IRS token again. Again, if you click on it, you get all the info. We just talked about it. But if you want to dig deeper and actually see what are the insiders buying, and this is where we have trading signals. So right here, we have FOMO signals, smart money news, and smart money. Let me explain what each of these buttons mean. So right here, first of all, we have FOMO signals. And what's really cool also, they just introduced this AI feature where actually AI will explain you what is this token all about. Also, it gives information, for example, how many times the Twitter account, the X account name was changed for this profile, which is again, sometimes a red flag. We also get some information on chain about the developer and insiders buying this token. And of course, the most important thing is the smart money wallets. Smart money wallets is usually influencers, insiders, developers, or sometimes professional traders who are making lots of profits trading meme coins or any altcoins. And if you go to Smart Money, you can see how many wallets we have to pick from. And if you want to check the manual, you can actually copy and check it for yourself on Solana Scan. But for example, you can select some of these insider wallets, put hearts on them. Basically, this means you're following. If you go back to FOMO signals, you see, for example, this token, which is NIByte, 4 smart money wallets bought these tokens. Means insiders or professionals or influencers know something and they're buying this token. And of course, for us simple traders, it means they know something. There must be something good. And you can also buy. You can see we have this one-click buy. So buy 1 Solana, buy 2 Solana. You can also sell it. And you can see also we have security checks. And also we have AI explainer about the token. If you want to add manual wallets, you can also click here, custom signal configurations. You can actually add wallets. You can see how many wallets I'm following right now, which is 8 wallets. If you want to remove some, again, you can go back here, remove the hearts. Let's go back. And you can see right now I'm following 6 wallets. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different tokens. For example, we have deep search. 5 smart money wallets bought it. You can also see the maximum gain if you follow this wallet would be 138%, and you can see when they had these alerts at what times. It kind of shows you what kind of opportunity you missed, which is not cool. And you can see again, we have all the information, all the wallets, when they bought it, how much they bought it. And this gives an idea where the market is going and what insiders are actually buying. If you scroll, you can see you get way more tokens and you can actually start copy trading these insiders. I think this is a really great tool. Not that many people know about it. And I think if you're smart, you can actually utilize it to your benefit. After that, we have X Monitor. We can actually follow all the different influencers. For example, you can click Moonshot. So this kind of gives you filter out x.com with the influencers you like, and you can find pretty good tokens also. I don't use it that much. I use it personally just for the trading signals because this gives you a big edge. And lastly, I want to explain you how to add the money. Again, you can start using this app using my link in the description, and it's super easy. If you want to add or remove money from this platform, just click right here, deposit and withdraw. If you want to deposit, just deposit to this wallet, just copy and deposit to this wallet. When you want to withdraw to your wallet, just click withdraw, how much, to what wallet, and you're done. Again, guys, I think this is a really simple tool. It's free. You can find amazing tokens and you can copy trade insiders, influencers, professional traders, and of course, make money if you're doing it a smart way. Again, guys, not a financial advice. There's always risk and there's so many different scams in the meme coins. So please be safe and don't forget to subscribe.